Are you grappling with the complexities of migrating your Active Directory objects? Join us as we streamline the process for administrators like you. Here, we'll guide you through the comprehensive process of using SysTools AD Migrator, covering everything from adding domain controllers to validating tasks and ensuring a smooth migration at the destination. Not only that, SysTools also provides AD migration services, offering tailored assistance for migrating your AD domains and objects. Before diving into SysTools AD Migrator, let's review some prerequisites for the migration process. Take a look at the diagram highlighting the major requirements for a seamless migration journey. Once all prerequisites are fulfilled, you're ready to initiate SysTools AD Migrator. By default, the username is administrator and the password is also administrator. After a successful login, you'll be greeted with this screen. Click on the Register Domain Controller button to proceed. Enter the domain-friendly name and IP address. Then click on Save and Continue. In the Domain Controller tab, you'll see the status of the domain is idle. Now, it's time to log in and fetch objects from the domain controller. Provide the admin user and admin password. Then click on Save and Continue. Once validation is successful, all icons will be marked with green dots. Navigate to the Active Directory tab and click on Fetch Active Directory Objects for the source domain. Then select Object. Upon completion, click on OK. Repeat the same steps to add the destination domain controller. Both source and destination domain controllers are successfully fetched. SysTools AD Migrator allows registration of up to 15 domain controllers. Now, head to the Migration tab and click on Create Migration Scenario. Give a name to your scenario. Set the source and destination domain. And click on Save and Continue. Click on your scenario name to proceed and create a task in the Task tab. You can enhance your migration tasks by importing them through a CSV file. Simply download a sample task CSV using the Download CSV button. With the sample CSV file, you can easily create and import tasks into AD Migrator, streamlining your migration process effortlessly. Click on Create Task. Give your task a name, select the objects you want to migrate, and configure password settings accordingly. SysTools AD Migrator offers various password handling options. No password handling excludes user passwords during the migration process. Password Sync syncs newly updated passwords to the destination and it requires AD Watcher installation. Set existing password enables explicit import and export of existing account passwords. Set default password facilitates user migration by defining a default password. Opting for Set Default Password allows users to log in with ease post-migration, ensuring a smooth transition. Additionally, you can migrate users, groups, and computer SID histories seamlessly according to your requirements. SysTools AD Migrator also offers Set DNS functionality, providing support for specifying an alternative DNS IP address to adjust DNS settings during computer migration. Once configurations are set, simply click on Save and Continue to proceed with the migration process smoothly. Click on Save and Continue. Map the required objects to the destination AD domain. Validate the mapping and switch to table view if needed. In scenarios where end users are connected via VPN, a prompt will appear on their machine, requesting credentials to continue the migration seamlessly. Once validation is successful, click on Start Task to begin the migration. Monitor the migration status as it progresses. Upon completion, review the details of migrated objects. You can retry any failed migrations if needed. One significant advantage of the tool is Delta Migration, and you can also download migration reports for reference. After successful migration, you may need to restart your machine. You can schedule this restart as per your convenience. Once restarted, log in using the provided credentials, including the default password set during the migration task. Users can generate their new passwords as needed. Log in and allow a few minutes for your new profile to set up. After logging in, sign out once to sync all previous data from your old machine. With that, your migration journey with SysTools AD Migrator is complete, ensuring a seamless transition to your new domain.